if I use this prompt on other LLMs, let's see here Gemini, I will take like this. Let's see what will happen here. Yes, I understand here the simple explanation of deep learning. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You wouldn't just tell me them look for whiskers, ears, and tail. Instead, you should have some many pictures of cats. So it is some quite difficult to understand it, right? Let's see. It has some generated some output. Here is the AI also generated some output. Okay, you can analyze it. Deep learning is like teaching a computer to learn from example. See, this is make the sense. Okay, this output is just have some good explanation when compared to Gemini. Okay, it is taken some uh, there is something difficulty to understand this. Even you can see here, right? So let's go to Claude, how it will explain our task. So you can see here, I will explain deep learning in the simple, approachable them. Deep learning is a powerful type of artificial intelligence. Okay, let's see. That mimics how the human brain processes information and learns from experience. Imagine it like a teaching a computer to learn and make decisions similar how a child learns through observation, practice, and pattern recognition. Okay, it has some good explanation when compared to Gemini. Okay, let's go to perplexity.ai. So let's take this. Absolutely. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence that teaches computer to learn from large amount of data. It inspired how our brain works using structure called neural networks, key concepts. Okay, you can see here why it is important, all those things here. So this output have some great structure and simple explanation when compared to Cloud Gemini. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's see and let's go to our Microsoft Copilot, what it will generate. You can see here. Absolutely understand. Dive into deep learning in simple words. Deep learning is a type of AI that mimics the way the human brain works in processing data and creating patterns for decision making. So as I said, the mimics means we have already seen, you can see here, the cloud. Deep learning is a powerful type of artificial intelligence that mimics how the human brain process information. Okay, let's have some great. So you can see here, this is a quiz. Okay, the NLLM is generating the best output. Okay, there is no problem in that. Okay, you can see a difference between the output here. So the ChatGPT have some more personalization when compared to Gemini and other all AI language models. Personalization means explain like your friend, like your teacher or any colleague, how they will explain to you any subject or lesson. The AI will explain in that way. That is the best capability that ChatGPT have, that is personalization, right? And able to recognize our name. So even I just change the new chart, so it can recognize my name, right? That is the capability of ChatGPT. When I tell to Gemini, let's see that also will say. So for that, so this is a simple capability I have shown you. Okay, so let's go. Before going to dive deeper, so I will explain what are the this actual LLMs is. So the ChatGPT is a simple large language model. It is trained by a lot of data, as I earlier we discussed. So it is developer to interact with AI like a human beings, right? So there is simple chatbot, okay, and it has become a that voice mode, and it also have some great features that like search engine. Notice, okay, have some versions. So when compared to Gemini, Gemini is developed by Google itself. So the main problem of this Gemini is it will take the data from the search engine of any websites, all those things. It will summarize and it will give the answer for us. So here the personalization less when compared to chat gpt, right? Why? This AI Gemini AI will take the answers from the websites that they have. So each information on the website like having some direct information rather than using personalization words structure in that way. So it will just that will take the data and it will generate as an output here. So that is here. So you can see here, imagine teaching a child to recognize cat. It directly without personalization starting point, it will just throwing the output when compared to the ChatGPT. So Claude is also work like as ChatGPT. It has also some great features like reasoning purpose. It will have some great features. Okay, it has some personalization. So when compared to Perplexity.ai, it is mainly developed for researching purpose. Okay, researching purpose means this AI have all the access to the websites and researching papers all the internet have. So it will easily, okay, it will easily uh, generate output based upon the research papers and real website real-time data. Okay, that's why it is most effective for research. So this Perplexity.ai is good for researching papers or just taking that. So you can easily, so for this, for every output it will generate, it will show some reference links, website links that you can refer the directly on that. So you can see here, it will shown here, you can see here sources. So hi, just when I tell to Perplexity.ai to just hi, it is taking this information, is taking the this information from this particular website. So we can directly go here and we will check the definition of hi here. So not only that, you can see different outputs and you can directly goes to the go to the website that it will show you after each output. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, and it will also just show the some related questions that asked by users most of the. So you can just click here and it will explain the second thing. You can see that it will also suggest sources that the output is taken from this here. You can just click here and it will goes to a real-time website. That means that information, okay, the output of the Perplexity.ai is taken from this website. So it's showing some references which can we put some confidence about this data. Okay, that's why the Perplexity.ai is good for researching papers for real-time uh, data to get that. Okay, for example, comes to the Microsoft Copilot, it is also same works like Google. Okay, it is also search engine like Bing Chat, that is Microsoft Bing we have, right? Okay, so it has also some great features like Gemini.ai have. When you can see deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence like that. So it is also take the information from Microsoft itself like Gemini.ai do. So okay, so this is some basic capabilities I have told you. So which type of task or we have to choose. The all LLMs works like but good, but there is no specific LLM which do 100% work. Okay, 100% accurate. There is no in that all LLMs will do mistakes. There are no 100% accurate from LLMs. The output is okay. The output, there is no 100% accurate output from all the LLMs. So we have to take some repetitive work to automate it. That's it. So it could save our lot of time for summarizing some information or writing the content, taking the ideas. You can use in that case. So